Welcome to Study Loop.
The population of a region is growing exponentially. If there were 30 million people in 1980 and 70 million in 1990, we can find an exponential model for the population. So let's use the model a equals a sub 0 e to the kt. And so if it's growing, we need to find k. And so we know that it took 10 years for it to go from 30 to 70 million. So we know it started with 30 and ended with 70, and it took 10 years to do that from 1980 to 1990. So divide both sides by 30, then take the natural log of both sides, and then divide by 10. And k would be the natural log of 70 divided by 30 over 10, 0.0847. Okay. Now we can use this to write our formula. P of t was an initial amount of 30 million times e to the 0.0847 t. So what population do you predict for the year 2000? Would be P of 2000, would be P of 2000 is 20 years from 1980. So that'd be P of 20. So that would be 30 times e to the 0.0847 times 20. And that would be 163.24 to the nearest hundredth at least. What is the doubling time? That would be when you divide by the initial amount, you get 2 times e to the 0.0847 t. And we would take the natural log of both sides and then divide by 0.0847. So the natural log of 2 divided by the natural, not the natural log, but just 0.0847. And we get about 8.18 years to double.